The save philosophy to carefully select each of their products. Focus on basic food, household, and personal care products, which are necessary for everyday life. Pick for you the best quality and the best choices. Offers the lowest possible price every day. Stores are simple and not larger than needed. They do not rent stores in expensive locations. Not displaying individual items on shelves, but sell out of boxes and from pallets. Avoid anything which is not necessary and which would potentially increase the sales price of products. Instead of promotions, offers you the lowest possible sales price every day. Provides you with an unconditional return guarantee. If you are not satisfied with any of the products, simply return it to any of their stores for a full refund, no questions asked. No receipt or explanation are needed for a refund. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.